Hi, today I will show you or introduce you laser SLA or SLS 3D printers, and also I will review the working principle for this 3D printer part. And as we know, when you come to the market for the Western 3D printers, and there are now the most popular one for the hot for the people who can bearing is the DLP 3D printers. DLP 3D printer is working principle is based on projectors projectors principle. It will let your STL file slide into a projector's image, and then the source from LED will project it to your field, and then your vision will solidate by the UV LED. But when come to the expensive or higher price 3D printers like Form 1, Form 2, and their working principle is rely on the lasers solidate. So, and how can it work? This code system will this code part will show you how this can work properly. And as you see here, this is the all for electronics system. Electronics part. And if you like this part and want to buy this part, you can leave me messages below to let me know, and I will make the listing for you to buy this part for your research or to DIY your lasers SLA printers. And here I introduce you from the all for this here the source. This source is worth for 50 watts free amp currencies. So this is DC adapter. And with the 50 watts inputs, this is the main board to drive the galvanometer, and then this is the galvanometers, two galvanometers drive board. They all connected to the main board. As you see, here is the galvanometer's source inputs, two source inputs, and then this is the galvanometer's drive cables. This is for X, this is for Y axis, and then this one is for lasers ports. And here we have the touch screen for these systems, and it uses the FFC's cable. As you see now, it's printing. And here we also will have the Z-axis motors control ports. This is for the X. You can see the Z-axis is moving now. And here is the SD card to make your G code in it. This SD card will put the G code. It's different from the DLP printer, the LCD DLP printer. This is use the G codes, but the G code is different. Is not from the it can slide by its own storage, not from the curve or with sisters curve system. As you see here is the support sheet for this part. This will install the laser. This is the galvanometer for X, galvanometers for Y, and the laser will directed the light to the X. Then the X will reflect the source to the Y. Then the Y can directly to this ball. This ball just you in the realities it will become refractometer. Then the refractometer will refract the source to your top. Then your top will have the vision box or the vision pens. Then your resin will be solidized by these lasers. And you can see the pores structure. And maybe this is Chinese, but then the above I have introduced all the pore for its and now let me see. This is the process, and with this you can install all your main part, something like this one. And here is the structure for your machine. When you want to install this machines, you can see this laser will direct the light to the reflected ball and then to the top of the tent. Then this one you will solidate. So this machine's this is the machine's working principle. And now let me show you the software for curling. For slice. How this can slide. As you see here, it has its own software for slice. And you can add this is the Chinese versions, but you can change it into the English versions, change the language, then use the English. Then you can add your STL file. Now I add this one. Then here is the slide option. And here you can make the setting to the exposure time and the first layers, the thickness, layer thickness. And you can add the support for it. You can add the support for your model, something like this one. As you see, you can add the support for your module. Then, if you take the slide button here, it will slide it into the G-codes. Then put your G-codes into your SD card. Then we will tell you how to operate this, how to print this. As you see, now it's printing now. You can see the source will move. And then the motor to lift it up, lift the platform up or lift the platform down. Then we will laser your layer. And then we can start it by, all the operation can operate on the touch screen. Here the start, you want to start the print? Yes. Here is the main interface. Interface is very simple. And the main you need to do just the control. Here has the exact motors, controls. For the exact motor, you just need to take the exact X, then the exact motor will up and down. You can back it, and when you want to print the model, just click the, here it will mention you that just double click the file, then you can print it. So we just double click the G code, then it will start to print. And here is the percentage for your, and here the layers. This one is 21 layer. You can stop it by this button, and pulse it by this button, stop it by this button. So that's all. If you interested to buy this product, you can leave me a message below, and or can contact me through email. Thank you for watching. And by the way, I will show this part just for the DIY. All the machinery parts need you to build by yourself. We just can make some technical small sports for you. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.